Hello.
Hello.
Who wants to see a hotel vlog? I know I do. Do you?
I think I do, yeah.
Tell them where we're staying.
We're staying at the Hyatt Vacation Club, the Ranahan in Breckenridge, Colorado.
How many nights we're staying for?
Just one night.
One night. Let's get on with it. I mean, so this is straight from the main road, which is down there. The main road itself is quite noisy, but up here is not noisy at all. In the distance, you got all the mountains. Perfect setting. Absolutely beautiful. It's about a 10-minute drive from Breckenridge itself, downtown Breckenridge. Now, all the parking here is included in the price. We're parked. It's a ski resort, yeah. But it looks absolutely stunning in the summer as well. So we're parked over there. But if you don't want to use your car and you're going into Breckenridge, you can get the Ranahan Hyatt Vacation Club little shuttle over there. And that takes you down there. Do you have to book that?
Yeah, you book it at reception at the front desk, and it goes every half an hour really, and then you call the driver to bring you back up until 9 p.m.
Up until 9 p.m. So they provide that service. So anyway, you get a good idea. There's the snowy peaks in the distance there. So let's go in. Then we come into the grand lobby. Look at this. So that's where you book in, over there.
It's a little shop over.
Little shop as well, tiny little shop. Over here you've got an activity centre where you can rent bikes and ski equipment and all that kind of thing. Plenty of places to sit. Very clean in there. It smells beautiful. Let's just give you a pan around. And you see the actual size of it in here. It's humongous. Smells amazing as well, doesn't it?
It really does. The bar over there and the restaurant.
Yeah, so you've got the bar on this side. Plenty of seating. Nice little pool table. Foosball. A little, what would you call that? Media area. Media centre. For all your media needs. I say, when we walked in here, we were just like, oh my god, it's absolutely fantastic because it's so clean. So clean. So, come up here. On the right, we've got the fitness centre. Now, you do need your room key card to access this room, so she would do the honours. And then, is it going? There we go. In we go. No one's in here, just us. So, don't ask me to explain what any of these are, because I've never used them in my life. And I don't plan on starting now, but you may want to. If that's what you want to do on holiday, that's what you can do. I wouldn't recommend it. So, this is the fitness centre.
There's water, towels.
Big screen as well. You're well catered for in here. And it's nice and cool, isn't it?
Oh, very cool, yeah.
Yeah, very cool. Right, so let's move on to the next thing. Maybe the swimming pools.
I can get out, can't
You pull the door to get out.
Yeah.
So, here's the indoor swimming pool. We're not going to go in there because there are children about in there. They've got a slide down there. There's a child. There's a slide down there. And it's all catered very well for the children. And that also leads outside to the outside swimming pool, which we'll show you now. So I'll just show you a little bit where there's no kids around. There you go. We'll lead you outside to the outside swimming area. I mean, look at this, isn't it beautiful? All the mountains in the background. Absolutely stunning. Got all your bins out here and everything. All your loungers. Beautifully manicured. Now, these are the backs of the rooms out here. And you say it's what, 2 stories up? Yeah, so ground floor 1 and 2. The people out here enjoying it. Say that again?
It's 1, 2 and 3 in America. They never
Yes.
have a ground floor, they have
Yeah.
it as a first floor.
To us, ground floor 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So over here, we have a spa. And it's just like bath water. It's so hot. It's absolutely beautiful. We've got some more over there. We'll go and show you those over there because they're empty.
Yeah.
Oh, and also barbecue area there. So please wear the appropriate swimming attire, and definitely no horseplay, because horseplay is frowned upon. So we've just left this main pool now. We're coming over to the spas over here. Yet again, just look at the beautiful surroundings we're in. And of course, you do need your room card key to access these areas. So you can't just walk in off the street. Oh, and you need
A wristband,
A
which they'll give you
wristband.
when you check in.
orange today. Don't know if it's always orange. There we go.
Got a fire pit.
Yeah, lovely little fire pit area. Plenty of seating to go with it as well. Some crows up there having a lovely time. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. And as I said earlier, the water is so warm for the spas. And what we're going to do now, we're going to turn one of the spas on just to get an idea of what it looks like when it's going. Look at that. I mean, it's a shame we're only staying for one night, because I could do with a week here, yeah. But I mean, we'll show you the room next, and the room's something to behold as well. But if I just bring you right to the back here, give you a sort of overview of what it looks like. So over there was the indoor swimming area. You can come out through that door. There's other entrances you can come out to gain access out here. These are all the rooms across here. An absolutely gorgeous day like today, in a beautiful setting like this. Let's go to the room tour.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the Hyatt Vacation Club, the Ranahan,
Okay,
in
so
Breckenridge, Colorado. This is my crib. So you come in and you've got a seating area here. Nice little seating area. Yeah, it's a sofa bed. Tables and a massive telly.
oh God, little dining area here.
Dining
Very
area.
big telly. Oh, hang on, there's some USBs in there and some plug sockets. Okay, what we've got around here? Oh my God, it's better than ours at home.
So this is probably a dishwasher, yeah. Dishwasher. Cupboards with all your pots and pans and things in it. Massive cooker.
Look at
Full
it,
size.
it's humongous.
Full size microwave. Full size fridge. And freezer.
Look at the size of this. Good grief. Right, what's in these doors opposite here?
Oh my god.
Is that a washer dryer?
I did have laundry last night, but I could do some more. Look, they've even got detergent.
That's alright,
And
isn't it?
fabric softener sheets.
Wow.
Oh, I'm doing the washing tonight. So, into the bathroom then. toilet there. Loads of lovely towels. Moose on the wall.
Yeah, or is it a goose?
We don't know. Oh, it's huge in here. Then we've got a fixed shower head. Little shallow bathtub, as usual. Loads of storage space.
Very nice.
That looks like it's got different jets on it.
Oh, different jets.
Nice lights around the mirror.
Yeah. What did you say there was? Drawers there.
Storage and more towels.
Very nice.
Toilet roll, tissues under there. Yeah, loads of storage.
Lovely.
Oh, I stayed a couple of weeks in here.
Shame we're not though, isn't it?
I know. Sadly, one night. One night only. Nice bed. King size bed. Well, UK Super King. So, no 2 beds tonight, love.
No.
Gotta slum it.
Is there a light switch in here? I don't know what that did. I don't know what that does.
Don't know what that does.
Hey!
There we go.
Alright, we got any sockets in here or anything?
Yeah, we got sockets in the lamps.
Lovely.
We've got USBs and sockets in the alarm clock. We've got drawers by the bed, remote control, a massive telly.
Another massive telly there. What's in this door here?
Oh, wardrobe, you know, safe.
Nice. A safe, yes. We always need a safe.
Yeah, we like a safe.
So a good ironing board iron.
Yeah,
Any
extra
old
bedding.
iron.
Then we've got more shelves there and drawers.
Oh my word, it's absolutely beautiful in here.
There's like a fire there.
Got there, so we won't need that.
It's on low actually. It's
He's
actually
on. Oh, maybe me turning this
Yeah,
on.
You've turned the fire
Put the
on.
fire on.
Let's turn that off then. I don't know how you turn it off. Off.
Has it gone off?
Oh. Hopefully that's off.
Oh, hopefully that's
Oh,
off.
yes, it's gone off.
There we
It's
go.
gone off, yeah. And then
We've our own little balcony, do we?
we've got a little veranda.
Veranda, if you will.
Yeah.
What is lovely.
Yeah.
That's
Very
next
nice.
door. And what are we overlooking? There we
Pools
go.
and hot tubs. Oh, look at them hot tubs
Outdoor pools. Where's the hot tubs?
over there.
Oh, okay. The hot tubs are over there.
Mountains over there.
Oh, mountains over there. Of course, you're never too far from them there. Anyway, I think that seems like a good room tour.
Yeah, very nice. This was a last minute decision.
Yeah.
So we were going to drive back to Glenwood Springs, but after visiting Breckenridge, but we thought, why don't we just stay in Breckenridge? So we did.
So that's the tour done for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it covers everything you wanted us to cover. So if you like what we do, please subscribe, please like, please tell your friends about us. And from the Ranahan in Colorado.
What about my farm?
What about your thumb? Oh, sorry. If you like, give us a thumbs up. But now you got to give it up. You got to get it right up. See you next time.
Bye.